Edward Jenner. The inventor of the first vaccine. Edward was born in Berkeley, near Stroud, 1749. When he was 14, he was apprenticed to a local surgeon. Later, he went to university to study further and train to be a doctor himself. Smallpox was the pandemic of the time. It killed around 10% of the population in the countryside and 20% in towns and cities where the infection spread more easily. Jenner had a theory that milkmaids who suffered from the mild disease of cowpox never contracted smallpox. May 14, 1796, Jenner took fluid from a cowpox blister and scratched it into the skin of an 8-year-old boy. The result of this was a blister. A single blister rose up on the spot, but James recovered. In July, Jenner inoculated him again, this time with smallpox matter, and no disease developed. Despite this successful vaccine, Jenner was widely ridiculed. Critics claimed it was a repulsive thing to do, to inoculate someone with stuff from a diseased cow. The picture showed what some people expected to happen. However, soon the obvious advantages of vaccination and the protection it provided won out, and vaccination became widespread, and the illness died away. Edward Jenner was made Physician Extraordinary to the King, King George IV, that is. Wow. He continued with his research throughout his life. Edward Jenner, the pioneer of smallpox vaccination and father of immunology, died on the 26th of January 1823. He was 73 years old and was buried in the family vault at the Church of St. Mary, Berkeley. Thanks for watching The Inventor of the Vaccine. Do subscribe or comment, or both.